Hey, you there? Hi. Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of iknowlee, and if you are new to my channel, I create weekly uploads over fashion, natural hair, beauty, travel, and all things lifestyle. So if you haven't, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you get a little buzz every single time that I upload a video. We are going to try something new today. I just received it in the mail, so this is not sponsored, but I did receive the product for free and they didn't ask me to do anything in exchange. The gag is, I was gonna buy this particular product, but it's slightly out of my budget. So I was happy to kind of get the email to say like, hey, would you like us to send it to you? Hell yeah. And they literally shipped it immediately, and the moment that it arrived at the door, I was like, let's try it. So that's what we're gonna do right here in this video. Let me know your thoughts about how this contraption performs. Let's get started. Well, I got something brand new in the mail today and it's huge. So I wanted to give it a try right now to see if this is actually going to work. My hair is freshly shampooed and conditioned, and the only thing that I have in my hair is leave-in conditioner. I have not even detangled. Y'all ready for this? Here is this huge contraption. Like, it's not that heavy, but it has some weight to it. This is definitely not something that you can travel with, but we're gonna try this reverse hair dryer to see if it works on my kinky curly hair. And my hair is super thick, so I was excited about it. Now that I have it all set up, I was thinking that I should try the front of my hair first. So I am going to part off a section. This is also supposed to make this process so much easier. Hopefully this section isn't too large, and I'm detangling it with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I'm gonna gently start from the ends because I got a fresh trim. I don't pretty much deal with any knots whatsoever. My hair is still soaking wet. Child, sis,
major key.
This is a win. Now here's the thing, when you use this contraption, you do have to hold it on each section for a nice period of time. And what I mean by that is I'm thinking anywhere between 3 and 5 minutes per section. So in terms of saving on time, like this versus a blow dryer, I would not say that you're going to save on time at all. It's probably going to be about the same time that it takes you to blow dry your hair, if not more. However, The pro to that is it is 10 times gentler than a blow dryer. So you're pretty much completely eliminating the risk of breakage or damage or excessive manipulation with the whole blow dryer combing situation, and you get the same if not better results. The air is also cool, so you don't have to worry about literally overheating yourself or the room that you're in or the bathroom that you're in getting super warm. That's out of the question. The other kind of negative is that it's definitely not travel friendly. This thing is huge and it is heavy, so it's more of one of those salon grade type of treatments or products that you would only use at home, but I think it's worth it. Mousse, I'm gonna use about 3 to 4 pumps because that is gonna start to revert it back. And then roll. I'm not gonna do like the whole twist and roll just because my hair isn't that long. I just added some more to that section because it dried pretty fast. It almost had like a sticky texture to it, and I really want my ends to be smooth. And these are also the purple rollers. Well, hello, good morning. I did the perm rod sets last night and I'm gonna go ahead and take them out to reveal the final look. Hopefully this is a win because I did not use my typical mousse, so we just gonna see. So I'm literally just unhooking it and pulling the roller out. It should pretty much slide out. I think that if you run into any snags, just leave it and then go back to it. I am going to put like a little bit of oil on my hands, primarily on my fingertips, just so that when I'm taking these down, it minimizes frizz. And I am going to kind of take my time. I'm going to break each one into 2 or 3 and then wrap it around my finger. Wrap each section around your finger in the direction that it was perm rod set in, and that will help you minimize frizz. If you feel like your hands also need additional oil, go ahead and add more. I wouldn't drench my fingers in oil, but make sure that there's enough to essentially slick down any flyaways or frizzy pieces and clump the curls. And for whatever reason, my hair is rolled in different directions, so I'm alternating between hands depending on which direction the curl is flowing in. And I'm just going to use the rest of the oil that's on the palm of my hands and resaturate my fingertips. I've separated each curl, and this can be a timely process, so just be patient, because if you try to rush it, you're definitely going to create some unnecessary frizz. But here are my curls, just simply separated. Nothing else has been done to them. They do look pretty good, but what I've noticed is that I have more frizz on this side than I do on this side, so that probably has to do with the amount of product that I use and the technique, because I did start on this side and ended on this side, so I gradually got better. So moving forward, I might just start in the back and then work my way up, because that is kind of what I would normally do if I wasn't filming. So I'm just going to do that while I'm filming, but next time. But for now, it is time to pick it out. I am gonna slightly pick in sections just because it makes it a little bit easier, and I feel like you don't disturb the curls as much. So I'm gonna start off with the back. I'm just like slightly separating it with my hand, and I'm gonna take my pick and just lift. Then I'll go to this middle section and do the same thing. It's the proper way to pick. It minimizes the amount of stress on your hair, and it also kind of gives you a bit more of a even shape, especially if you have kinkier hair, because you don't want the pick to snag your curls. If your hair is finer, I'm sure you could just go in and go ham, but not I said the cat. So the back is virtually done. You can kind of see the difference, and there's a slight partition in the middle. And so with the front, I'm really just going to lift a little bit at the top, and I'm just starting where that partition was and kind of pulling back. And then I'm going to lift a little bit right at the base. And I like to do it this way because the front tends to get frizzier the fastest because it's exposed to sweat, makeup, washing your face, makeup wipes, and all of this other jazz. So it's easier to just leave it alone because it will fluff and fill out on its own. Now if you want, you can definitely go in with some edge control. My favorite edge control is Style Factor. A lot of people don't like it. I'm sure it's not the healthiest thing that you could be putting on your edges, but it works. Lord, it works. This thing right here is dope. Again, this particular machine is not going to save you on time, but it will assist when it comes to breakage, because you're not going to have any, because this is unrealistically gentle on the hair. So I kid you not, I think that this is an amazing way to blow out your hair for any type of styling options. It's what's up. So loves, I hope that you enjoy this video. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button for more weekly uploads on natural hair, travel, beauty, fashion, and all of that. I will have more videos coming soon. I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.